Hi all, how are you doing? So in this video we would be studying about theta notation. So we would be dealing with two functions, that is f of n and g of n. So the function which corresponds to our algorithm is g of n, right? So let's say that g of n is this, and f of n multiplied to c1 is this, c1 into f of n, and this corresponds to c2 into f of n, and where c1 c2 belongs to a real number set, right? So whenever such thing happen, when g of n is greater than c2 of f of n and g of n is less than equal to c1 of f of n, and let's say we are checking this condition at point n naught. So this would be for all n greater than n naught, right? So we just say that g of n is equal to theta of f of n. So that's what theta notation is all about. So we know that if we multiply some constant to f of n, it can go down from to below g of n, and if we multiply some other constant to f of n, it can go above g of n. So g of n is always between g of n, right? So it is between c1 fn and c2 fn. That's why we say that g of n is average of f of n, right? So that's great. So in the next videos we will be discussing about some questions related to these notations, how these notations can be used, and we will also study about time complexity. So stay tuned.